need 3 goals. It's not like you need 1. You need 3.
Barzal risks a shot. They score! It's Brock Nelson again.
Well, we talked about Matt Barzal shooting the puck, didn't we? And the scene said in the pregame that this is a guy that creates offense just with his skating ability. And that's exactly what he does, and he fires the shot. And now the Islanders have got a little whisper of an opportunity. There's the wrist shot. Nice deflection by Brock Nelson. He practices that all the time. That's not luck. He's best friends with Anders Lee, who's one of the best in the league. There's a shot, knocks it down, bounces, and Andrew Ladd's in front of the net. And I still think at some point in time, Brendan, before too long, you still have to pull your goaltender.
Still 3 minutes to go on the Islanders' power play. A 5-minute major, and there's a shot. They score! Anders Lee on the rebound, and the Islanders within 1.
And still a lot of time on that power play. 3 minutes to go on the power play. So the Islanders have struck twice. Brock Nelson and now Anders Lee. This game is far from over, but still a 3-minute power play, Brendan. So they're going to get plenty of opportunities. And again, I talked about getting it back to the point. There's a shot, rebound, timely rebound, get to the front of the net. Now they're shooting the puck, Brendan, and they're getting good results. And there's a timeout by the Red Wing coach.
Anders Lee gets the goal. It's 2 goals in 54 seconds. Leddy over for Bailey. Still just crossing into 2 minutes remaining on this power play. Leddy shoots, scores! They've done it! 3 goals on the power play to tie it at 5.
Leddy was off balance too. It's not like he walks right into it. Everly is going to be able to get it down low. Takes a little look, a little bounce pass over to Tavares. There's his shot. You can see that he wasn't in the perfect shooting position. But the Islanders are shooting the puck. Lee's in front. There's the shot. Not sure if it goes off anybody. It's up high. And the Islanders have tied this game up.
25 seconds left. The penalty being served by Martin Furt. Bertuzzi was ejected from the hockey game when he took the penalty. Here's John Tavares. Over for Bailey. He scores!
Well, the Islanders are starting to get some breaks now, Brendan, and no doubt about it. That shot went off of Mrazek, and you can see the owner's pretty happy. But they're shooting the puck. It's amazing what happens. Drop pass over to Tavares, over to Bailey. He one-times it. Mrazek's not able to get across. And the Islanders, in incredible fashion, make them pay. The Detroit Red Wings, that is, an incredible price for a 5-minute major penalty. 4 goals. And there's still 17 seconds to go.